Hello, good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today, I want to discuss about this no reset command, which will accept a Boolean value, either true or a false. See, one thing, guys, whenever we are creating a test script and whenever you are executing a test script, if it is not having any no reset command, what it will do means it will reset that complete app so that whichever the previous instances sessions are there, everything will be wiped out and it will launch a new session for that particular application. Sometimes we will encounter certain situations, where I don't want to kill my previous instance. Whatever the login instance is there, I still want to continue the same login instances. In such situations, there's a no reset command will be used so that, whatever the previous instance are there, we can use the same previous instance. I just opened our previous program that we have created here. So where in which I'm trying to execute my test script without having this reset command, and then we'll see. So run as a Java application. So this script will establish a connection with this, the emulator that we have created on this particular machine. Okay, so let's wait for a second and see. Yeah, so it opened the app, it entered the credentials and it clicked on a login button. So before terminating the app, it is on a login screen. Okay, it is on a login screen. So when I run this program again without having a reset, so this time, if you observe the test script, even it will navigate to the same login screen itself. So it means whatever the previous instance is there, it's not holding that a previous instance. So to handle this one, what I'm doing right now means I'm just adding a one more capability here, which is a no reset. And this value, I'm passing it as a true. So whenever we pass this value as a true, and let me try to run this a test script. So without having this command, the app was launched from a login screen. Whereas upon adding this capability, no reset, it will be relaunching the previous instance of an app. So in certain instances where you don't want to handle the login situation, you can simply use this no reset command. This no reset command, you can use it in your program, and even you can also use it in your APM inspector session, guys. Go, done the deal.